Good morning. Chapter Surface Areas and Volumes. Exercise 13.6. Question number 4. The question is, if the lateral surface of a cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square and its height is 5 centimeter, then find radius of the base and its volume. Use pi equal to 3.14. Okay, so we know lateral surface means curved surface area, and the formula of curved surface area is, what is the formula of curved surface area? That is 2 pi rh. Curved surface area formula 2 pi rh of the cylinder. Okay, now right, height also given 5 centimeter. So height of the cylinder is 5 centimeter. Height of a cylinder equal to 5 centimeter, and curved surface area or lateral surface of a cylinder
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Lateral surface, that is curved surface area CSA. Lateral surface area equal to, this is also given, 94.2 centimeter square. 94.2 centimeter square. Okay. Now we know lateral surface curved surface area equal to 2 pi rh of a cylinder. Curved surface area equal to 2 pi rh. Okay, r is the radius and h is the height of the cylinder, and 2 pi rh equal to, it is given question, 2 pi rh equal to 94.2. Okay, it is given question. Now 2 into 22/7 into radius is not given. Okay, so r only we have to find radius. Height is given, height is 5, and one thing, pi value 3.14. Okay, right, not 22/7, because it is given question. So 2 into 3.14 into r into h is 5, height, equal to 94.2. Okay, now r equal to are equal to 94.2 divided by 2 into
3.14.
3.14
Sir, 3.14 them cut off 94.2 by 30.
into 5. No. So calculate this. So equal to 942, okay, divided by 2 into 314 into 5, okay, and into, so 94.2 means 942 by 10, no, okay, by 10, and 3.14 means 314 by 100, so 100 will go up, so into 100, okay. Now this equal to this 100 cancel. Now by 2 it will go 2 into 5 10, see 2 and 5 10 and 10, okay. Now 942 by 314, it will go by 2 to the 8, yes, it will go by 2. 314 means 2 2, 5 2 10, 2 1 2, okay, 1 1 11, 5 2 10, 14, 7 7 2 14, and 942 by 2 means 4 2 8, 4 7 2 14, and 2 1 2, okay, 471. Now 157 into 3 multiply, hello, 157 into 3, 471, 157 into 3, 471 will go by 3, okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
This is equal to 3. Therefore, R equal to means radius equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. Radius came 3. Now, see the question, radius of the base. Therefore, radius of the base is 3 centimeter. So, number 1 question, radius of the base equal to 3 centimeter. This is one answer. Okay. Now, second one is find its volume, that is capacity. So, what is the formula?
Pi r square h.
Yes, pi r square h. Therefore, volume of the cylinder equal to pi r square h. So equal to pi is 3.14. This question 3.14 into radius. Now radius is 3. So 3 square into h is height 5. It is given question. This, what is the unit? Centimeter cube. Volume, no. Centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. So This equal to 3.14 into 3 square is 9 into 5
Sir, 15.7 into 9.
centimeter.
141.3.
Okay. I have to multiply this.
141.3.
Yes, 3.14 into 45. 3.14 into 45 is equal to, what is your result?
141.3.
141.3. 141.3 centimeter cube. This is the capacity. Okay, clear all of you? Anyone having any question?
No, sir.
Clear? No? Okay, next. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, if it cost rupees 2200 total cost to paint the inner curved surface of a cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep, means height. If the cost of painting is at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, find inner curved surface area of the vessel and radius of the base and capacity of the vessel. Okay. So it is given total cost rupees 2200 and per meter square cost is rupees 20 and height also given 10 meter. Okay. So that means depth means height. So height of a height, that is depth, of a vessel equal to cylindrical shape 10 meter and cost of painting also given. Cost of total cost of painting equal to rupees 2200 and rate of painting rate of painting also given. It is rupees 20 per meter square. See, so what is the meaning? Rupees 20 per meter square means 1 meter square cost rupees 20. Okay, 1 meter square cost rupees 20 and total cost 2200. So what is the total area? Curved surface area. It is given question, inner curved surface area. Paint the inner curved surface area. So curved surface area. Okay, actually what is the area? We can find now because total is given 2200 total cost and per meter square cost rupees 20. Then you can divide. Then inner curved surface area equal to inner curved surface area CSA equal to total cost 2200 divided by per meter square cost 20. This is meter square. Okay, 100 cancel and 220 by 2, that is 110. 110 meter square. This is curved surface area. Okay. Now so we know curved surface area means 2 pi RH. Therefore 2 pi RH is equal to 110. The first question was inner curved surface area is okay, it is 110. Then number 2, 2 pi RH curved surface area, 2 pi RH equal to 110. So 2 into pi. In this question pi value is not given, so I use 22/7. And radius is not given, so R only radius, and height or depth is given, it is 10 equal to 110. Now radius R equal to 110 divided by 2 into 22 into 10 and 110 into 7. Okay. Now the 0 cancel and 11 2 are 22. 11 2 equal to 7/4. 7/4, and unit is this question meter. So divide 7/4 means, so R equal to 4 1 4, 0.4728 and 4 5 20. Okay, 1.75 meter. Therefore radius equal to 1.75 meter. Now one more question is there, capacity of the vessel. Capacity means, what is the formula of capacity? Capacity formula, that is, capacity means, yes, capacity and volume are same, that is pi R square H. So capacity of the vessel equal to pi R square H, and pi is 22/7 into R square radius. Radius is, you can use 7/4 meter, 7/4 whole square, easy to calculate, into height is 10, height or depth this, and unit is meter cube. Because of volume unit, cube unit, so 22/7 into 7/4 into 7/4 R square into 10 meter cube. 10 meter cube equal to, so 2 2 are 4, 2 and 5. Okay, and 2 11 22. 2 11 22, 7 7 cancel, 7 7. Okay, so is equal to 11 into 7. 11 into 7 into 5. 7 into 5 divided by 4. Divided by 4. So this is equal to 77 into 5. Multiply 77, 7 into 11 into 5 by 4, and 77 into 5 means 385 by 4. Okay, divide now. Divide now. 38.5 equal to 385. So 4, 9, 36.
96.25.
5, 4, 6, 25. 24, 4, 6 are 24. Then it is 1. 1. Then take decimal point 0. 4 to the 8. 8. Then 2. 2, 0. 4, 5, 20. No? 4, 5, 20. So 96.25 meter cube. So equal to volume equal to, that is capacity, 96.25 meter cube. See the question. Question is find its volume. That means capacity. Okay. So capacity is 96.25 meter cube. This is the answer. Okay. Till now.
Okay, sir.
Till now, everyone understand any question?
No, sir.
Any question? Practice this all. Practice. Because of your solution, no, you have to practice. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Practice today only practice. Then you can ask question no next day. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.